So today, me and my son are gonna try the Crunchin' Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So it has like blue, it's kind of bluish, has some cookie pieces in it, Oreo pieces, and yeah, we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna have him try it first. Take your pinky out. Take your pinky out. Wanna try? Okay, ready? What do you think? Is it good? No, you don't like it. Okay. Okay, so he doesn't like it. So I'm gonna try it now. It's not bad. I don't really taste the Oreo cookie. It's more like crunchy, but I don't know what the crunch is. It has like a vanilla kind of taste to it, so that's good. I guess it's just crunchy chocolate. That's kind of what it tastes like, but it doesn't really taste like cookie to me. It just tastes like a vanilla blizzard. So I'll give it a 6 out of 10. But yeah, that's the Crunchin' Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So we'll see you next time.